Howdy guys, Sully from Tiger Bricks here, and I've done a little bit of work in the Lego room. It's been a while since I've showed it off to you guys, so I just want to kind of take you on a tour through it right now. Let's get into it. So the floors in this room are a little bit creaky, so I'm going to try my best to not, walk around a whole lot. But over here I've got all the stuff that pretty much needs to go. It's all stuff that I've already got duplicates of, and I'm just pretty much waiting to sell it. Then over there, we've got the storage closet. There's not a whole lot in it. I gotta move stuff in. Here's some sorted pieces right here, and just a bunch of other stuff I need for videos and packaging as well. Over here, we've got the minifigures, and I'm still working on a way to display them. There's a piece-by-piece poster. And I think I'm gonna get some display cases for the bookshelves, but I think that'll just be mainly for Harry Potter, Star Wars, and Marvel. You can see I've already got the Star Wars minifigures right there. And then this is going to be the Marvel shelf, I guess. There's just some boxes around. I don't really have a place to put them right now, but I'll get more shelves. There's only 3 shelves right here. Planning to get 6 along this wall. This one will have to move over just a tiny bit, basically to where that black table ends. There's going to be another shelf, and then 2 more will fit on that side. But over here, I'm hoping to get the Avengers Tower sometime soon, and that'll look good right next to the Daily Bugle. Kind of wish there was a shelf up there where Spider-Man is, but unfortunately, there's no pegs that go that high. I really like this one. This is the winter set, or the winter village sets, I guess. The blue ones, they look really good together. Just thought I'd put them on the shelf. Some minifigures up here. I have to build these helmets up here. And there's Spider-Man. Down here, this is going to be probably the Star Wars stuff. I need to get some display stands for ships. The problem is that it's just kind of expensive. And then I'm going to build the boutique hotel that's right down there and put that right next to the police station. Got some minifigures and of course the tiger. Other sets that need to be built. And then this is going to be the Harry Potter shelf. There's going to be a Lord of the Rings shelf as well right next to it. And I want to get some, like a riser for the train back there so that I can have both of the Hogwarts Expresses just kind of offset. There's going to be a minifigure display right here. Some Hagrid's huts right there. And then the castle down here. I didn't get all of them, so this is basically just what I have. Over here, we've got the minifigure boxes. Those are going to have to move. I'm not sure where I'm going to put them. This is going to have some minifigure display cases on it, although I don't really know what to do with the table right now, but yeah. It's kind of just a work in progress. Every set that I'm building and need to review, except for that one, I've already reviewed it. The video display box, not sure what to do with that because it doesn't fit on the shelves, but I really like it. It's going to stay in the collection. Got my instructions down there, and then a bunch of sets I need to build as well. These are some sets that I need to build. I'm actually going to get rid of those 3 and the video boxes. Over here, there's also boxes that I need to get rid of, or I guess sets that I haven't built. I forgot to mention over here that by the boutique hotel, there's other big sets. So we have the Shire that I'm going to review, and then the Indiana Jones Temple of Doom, and the Ghost. And then I recently got the Gringotts Bank for Christmas. That's probably the biggest set I have in my collection now, so it's going to have to be built. That'll go on the Harry Potter shelf. Not sure how I'm going to make room because that thing is massive. But this will hopefully be the backdrop for my videos. A lot of the YouTubers do that. So a table right here, and I can review stuff with a nice backdrop of neat and organized Lego sets. I got some lights and I'll turn those on right now so you guys can see them. Alright, so with the lights on, it looks okay. I'm probably going to get some better lights. The shadows are kind of annoying me. And there'll be a light directly right here, so the shadows will hopefully all go away. And I kind of like how it looks. I wish there was a longer curtain, but obviously there's not windows all along that wall. I still have to get a curtain to cover up this window right here. Over here we got just some sets. Anything in the black box I'm planning on getting rid of. I went through and kind of slimming down my collection. And then over behind this door, sorry, this is everything that I'll be keeping. Except for this Star Wars stuff. I don't want anything to do with it, but I just wanted to keep the Star Wars stuff separate. But yeah, gonna get 3 more shelves, you know, scoot these over and then have some on the sides. I think that'll be pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, want to see more updates, make sure to like and subscribe. That's always appreciated. But pretty cool. See you guys.